What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My car is very dirty. If you can't tell, it's been raining a lot. These stickers, like the residue on them, just won't come off. I'm trying to redo them, but it just keeps on getting dirty. I have a part that I'm finally installing on the 335. This will officially make it full bolt-on, help me raise the boost level, add a little bit of power, and pretty much everything. Intercooler is one of the best power mods for the money. Already started a little bit. I'm gonna start with taking all the 8mm out of the under tray, and then the intercooler will be exposed, and we could drop that stock one, toss in the aftermarket one, and be good to go. Should take around like 30 minutes, but the downpipes are supposed to be like 3 hours. Took me 18 hours, so we'll see. See what else is holding it. One more. As you see, my downpipes right here, which I need to fix one of them because one of them has a leak in between the downpipe and the exhaust because the gasket or bolts or something came loose. This is the last thing. Yep. Nope, there's one holding it somewhere. Let's see where it is. Oh, two of them. Nice. It's out. Okay, now with that out, it is right here. So we ran into some Torx. Okay, here's the intercooler. OEM intercooler, super tiny. 2 Torx at least, and then these C clips right here and right there, and a bunch of plastic clips like these. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Have those out in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do on one side, and then I'm gonna do the same to the other side and just speed up the process. This C clip right here, you just gotta get in there, pop it out just like that. It has a clip, it has like grooves on the edges, so it keeps the clip in. It's not gonna come all the way out, so this is pretty much all the way out until I could drop it and pull those clips off and put it on the new hardware and everything. 25. Okay, there's one. That's one side complete pretty much. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'll be back when I'm done with that side. Both sides are done. I'm gonna pull the stock one out right now. As you can see, it's loosened. The bolts out on each side. Next is this one. This little like shroud. Okay, so it's a lift up slide. Lift up, slide. Boom. Make sure that side's all the way out. I have half a desert on the OEM one. Okay, so it's loose for sure. It's ready to come out. There we go. That side's out. That side's out. Oh, fuck. There's the OEM one. Let's see. Damn. Here is the aftermarket one. It's a 5-inch with a 7-inch face, I guess, and a 5-inch core. It's pretty nice. Let's compare it. So as you can see, it's not a major difference, but an inch with an intercooler is a huge performance difference, especially with how this is designed. This one's gonna sit in here. I see what we gotta do. I think that's why they sent that kit. I'm sitting here taking a break. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this thing, but my mic just died, so my audio might be a little shit, but this intercooler bends up to go to the inlets, or whatever they're called, inlets, outlets. See, these are straight, so I guess silicone piping to go to the mounts, but that's what I'm dealing with. So the mount is right there, which this piping won't fit on because the OEM ones are gonna be replaced with these. We'll be good to go. Okay, I see what I have to do now. Loosen up the charge pipe piping to that intercooler piping. It'll drop down, the OEM will drop, Work, I'm gonna do this side first. I'm gonna put the new pipe on it, make sure it's the right one for that side, and then do the same thing to that side. It's always something. I could easily get it out. It's gonna take a little bit. All right, I got a little sick for 2 days. I'm now feeling better. Let's get this shit back on the road. Let's finish this install. So this metal band right here, I'm gonna cut off this mesh out too, so the intercooler is like more exposed. I accidentally snapped off this hose. The bit of it has like a nipple on the inside that connects to this radiator hose, and it's an expansion tank hose that goes all the way to the expansion tank. So besides that, the intercooler is almost installed. I reattached everything. Charge pipe is reattached. Should be running that hose, and then I'm gonna attach to this side and run this hose until I could fix this. All right, 1 day later, as you can see, the hose is still broken, but my local auto parts store actually has one in stock, so I might just walk there. But look at this bad bitch. Fucking slammed. All right, so yeah, I might just walk there and see if I can just grab one. All I need is this hose right here. All right, as you can see, it's dark out, but I got the hose. So I think I'm just gonna stay up all night until I could knock this out. But fuck, was this a mission? These two together, I think I'm 4 days in. It is pretty much in. As you can see, the fitment's pretty perfect on it. Oh my gosh. All right, intercooler is fully in. I fixed this coolant line. I have a new hose. I had to bleed the system still. We are almost there, almost done. So basically, this top one is all in place, lined up, but I'm just tightening that down. All tightened. Boom, boom. Gotta finish tightening that side, but look at it. Perfect. I have some red pipes, and come up here. Intake scoops to the grill. A little red there, boop, boop, boop. Intercooler is fully tightened. Coolant expansion tank hose is fully tightened with 2 clamps. Brand new hose, full hose connected with a new clamp. Charge pipe fully tightened. I'm gonna bleed the system, which I had to do this cycle electrically in set start, full bolt on, and then I'll drive it around, see if there's any leaks, let it idle, see if there's any coolant leaks. I gotta clean these intakes too. I'm just gonna get it to the top, like right there. After it cycles, it'll let the air out, and then I'll top it up again. As you can see, it's pretty full, so put the key in. This is how to bleed your coolant on your 335i or most BMWs that are newer. Put the key in, turn it all the way on like this, heater all the way on 84 on both with the lowest setting fan, and hold the gas for 12 seconds. So 1, 2, 11, 12. And there we go, it's starting. So I have it going. If you could hear the water pumps going, it's building pressure. This close to starting it right here, this close. Cleaned up my big ass mess. The bleeding is completely done. I didn't notice any leaks, which is a very, very good sign, because that's when it should leak as well. But let me just double check everywhere. Good. Back it off the ramps. Go take it for its first drive, full bolt on. Also, I need to flash the new tune. Let's check for leaks. no leak, no leak, and no leak. So it's looking very, very good. Damn, this is a lot of work and I love it. I'm thankful. Finally done. Hopefully I might have to adjust and tighten a few more things in the future, but it's looking good. Let's see. Oil level is right where it should be. I just checked the coolant level and everything. It's fucking perfect. Running amazing. I gotta give it a detail. I'm going to put my current temps and everything up on the screen. I'm gonna go drive around, let it warm up, and then I'll put the temps after about a 5 to 10 minute drive. So, okay, so I forgot that leaving the under tray off with half of it still on causes it to catch air and drag to the floor. So now I just gotta baby it home and reinstall that under tray, and then I could go. Fucking Honda truck, come on. Yeah, I just have to reinstall the under tray. Already have it back on the ramps. Have all the tools. I reinstalled my snorkel. Okay, snorkel in. Full under tray in, lined up and fully tightened, ready to go. I don't want to get too rough with it until it settles. Look who we fucking run into right here. Look at him. Fuck. All right, the intercooler fucking popped off. I got a boost leak. I'm a Yep. Everyone can get the fucking
This thing's got a blown head gasket.
and a new motor. New motor though.
Yeah. New parts.
Fuck. Alright, well the charge pipe blew off at the gas station. I got that retightened. That's another owner error. Mistake by me. Finally, charge pipe is tight. It's finally warmed up. I'm gonna get in some pulls real quick. IATs dropped about 30 degrees, like pretty much instantly. No leaks or nothing yet. It is driving and running amazing so far, knock on wood. Who gave me such a fucking weapon? Oh my gosh, I love it. Also, if you guys are seeing this, I most likely already dropped these Blitz 03 rugs for my brand. So if you guys want to support that and my channel, I'll put the link in the description. These are going to be very affordable, and I'm also throwing in a little bit of extras for my brand, and I'm putting a Hot Wheel in every order. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.